Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about why there is a delay in date of joining for mostly service-based company, most of the service-based company. Why there is a delay in the date of joining. It may take some time, a year to giving you the DOG letter, date of joining offer letter, or I would say. So before starting, let me introduce myself to those who are new to my channel. Hi guys, my name is Amita Singh and I am a full stack developer working in Verizon. I have also worked in Cognizant. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, please go ahead and press the subscribe button, because on this channel you'll find so many career oriented videos. And if you haven't joined my Telegram group, guys, that is a private Telegram group. For that you need to DM me, or you can mail me. I'll provide you the link of the Telegram group and you can join me there. There you'll find so many informative materials related to companies, previous year question paper and all that stuff. So let's get started today's video. Why there is a delay in DOG or offer, not the offer letter, call letter of mostly service-based company. So I will tell you the criteria, means how the company calls the number of student at a time. Some people got their early joining, some people they have to wait a lot. In fact, I waited till December. My date of joining, I was 2017 pass out. I passed out in May. And I had to wait for 6 to 7 months, and I got my joining in December. In fact, I got a delay in that. So why there is a delay, and let's talk about that. So guys, what happens in service-based company, mostly Cognizant, TCS, Accenture, what happened? If some projects are coming, there is a business requirement. On base of the business requirement, they have hired a group of people, means they have hired most of the student. Now on the base of business requirement, they will be keep on calling the students, and every month they will keep on calling. So don't expect, if there is no date of there is no business requirement, then do we have to wait for years or 2 years, 3 years? No, not more than a year. I remember while I was in Cognizant 2017 pass out, the Cognizant last batch came on 23rd February 2018, last batch, that last batch came. So yes, if you are a 2021 pass out, you can expect the DOG till the next year, January, February. Yes, it's possible. But are you wasting your time or your experience in while waiting for DOG? I would say no. Guys, though the company is calling in batches, every month they call in batches. It's starting from June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Every month they call some group of students, maybe 100 people they are calling. They have hired, suppose 10k student, and they are calling 100, 200, 300, 500 people at a time. So understand the situation. Suppose, now take an example, if they are calling all the 10,000 students at a time, then will not be that difficult to assign them projects. That is going to be very difficult, right? Maybe you will be sitting on the bench, right? So you have to sit on the bench and you have to wait for your time. So instead of that, the company calls, yes, now they see, this is what my experience tells, and how much I interacted with, while my date of joining was late, I have interacted so many times with HRs, and what my experience is telling, they have answered me like this. On the basis of business requirement only, you will get the call letter. And yes, if you have got the offer letter, don't worry, you will definitely get call letter. It's not like they will forget about you, that okay, I mistakenly missed that person. It will not be happening. So don't worry about this. Now let's talk about, yes, there is a delay and it comes like this. Now how you can utilize these time? Let's talk about that. How I utilizes my time, I'll first cover that. So guys, what I did, my joining was not coming. I waited like a month, June, I waited like, oh, it will come. But batches by batches they were calling. So I did not care about that. When they are calling, I stopped thinking about that, because it really eats your brain while you have already got your pass out, you have already taken your pass out exam in May and you are still waiting. It's very difficult. So what I did certification. There were some certification mentioned in the portal. I took one of the certification and I did that. So how that certification will help you? See, if the company has mentioned some of the certification, and if you are doing that, then you will be keep on updating your resume in the portal, right? So what I did, it was 3-month certification, and I did it in Oracle Fundamental. I have taken certification in Oracle Fundamental, SQL Fundamental, and I cleared that certification. The certification duration was 3 months. I took 3-month course of that. Though I was also interested in doing PL/SQL as well, but till that time my joining letter came. Okay. And within 2 weeks, my joining letter came on 25th of November, and I have to report on 7th of December. It was very less time between the joining letter, and that time I was doing certification, and maybe because of that, maybe I assume because of my certification and I have updated the resume on portal, I got a good project. I assume because of the extra thing which I did and I updated my resume, on basis of that they assigned me a good project. Now what is called good project? Good project in terms of my opinion is development project. I consider the project which has more of a development, I really like that, and that is for that project is good for me. So I got the development project which I was eagerly waiting for, and I luckily got the certification I did in database. I got an opportunity to choose where I want to work. I want to work on front end, back end, or database. So this how happened with me, and I'm sharing my experience to you. That's how I utilized my time while waiting for my DOG. And guys, I would highly recommend you all to please do not waste your time while waiting for DOG. Do some kind of certification, do some kind of learning, and that will really help you out in, while heading towards that organization. And if you really know something, then it will be easier to you to grasp those things and to understand the project. Though I'm not saying it is mandatory, it is all your personal choice. Even if you're not doing any certification, you're not learning anything, don't worry. In the project itself, you will get a chance to learn, and you will definitely learn throughout the year. But that's what, in my opinion, I'm just giving you a suggestion that you can utilize your time in doing some sort of certification. So that's how I utilized my time while I was waiting for my offer letter, and which came after 6 to 7 months of waiting. So hope I have made you understand why there is a delay in date of joining and all that stuff, and how you can utilize your time well, so that it will be better for you to establish your career in IT professional or any company. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please press thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and press the subscribe button. And thank you for watching, guys, and please press thumbs up. It will really motivates me a lot in making more and more videos for you. Thank you.